Ugh, the struggle is real. You bust your butt, complete the job, and then, silence. Invoice purgatory. We've all been there, stuck waiting for that sweet, sweet payment to hit our accounts. But what if there was a way to fast forward? A way to ditch the waiting game and get paid instantly? That's where Relay comes in. Now, depending on which Relay you're familiar with, this video might be a game changer for different reasons. So, buckle up, freelancers, truckers, and business owners alike, because we're about to break down exactly how to get paid on Relay, no matter which version you use. Relay for freelancers, free yourself from the invoice abyss. Let's face it, freelance life can be feast or famine. 1 minute you're rolling in projects, the next you're staring down an empty bank account while waiting on invoices. Relay can be your financial lifeline in these situations. Here's the deal, when a client sends you an invoice through Relay, they essentially offer you early access to that payment. They'll pay Relay upfront, and Relay, in turn, will deposit the money straight into your account, minus a small service fee, of course. It's a win-win. Your client gets the peace of mind of a completed transaction, and you get your hands on that hard-earned cash faster. So, how does it work? First, you need to sign up for a free Relay account. The process is quick and easy, and once you're in, you can start sharing your unique Relay link with your clients. Whenever they need to send you a payment, they'll use that link to create an invoice through Relay. You'll receive a notification, and then you can decide whether to accept the early payment offer. Here's the beauty, there's no pressure to accept every early payment. If you're comfortable waiting for the standard payment terms, you can simply decline the offer. But if you need the cash flow boost, accepting the offer gets you paid in a flash. Relay for truckers, ditch the paper chase, get paid now. Alright, truckers, this one's for you. You know the drill, long hauls, unpredictable schedules, and the constant battle to get paid on time. Relay aims to streamline that process for you. Instead of waiting for weeks, or even months, to receive a check from a broker or shipper, Relay allows you to get paid instantly upon completing a delivery. Here's how it works. Download the Relay app. It's your one-stop shop for managing your trucking finances. Once you receive a dispatch order, you'll see the payment details within the app. This includes the agreed-upon rate for the job. After completing the delivery, both you and the carrier will confirm the job's completion and rate each other through the app. Here's the magic part. With a tap of a button, you can choose to get paid instantly through the Relay app. The funds will be deposited directly into your linked bank account or debit card. Say goodbye to waiting for checks to clear. Relay puts you in control of your finances, allowing you to access your hard-earned money faster and keep your cash flow flowing smoothly. Relay for business owners, streamline payments and keep everyone happy. Now, let's talk about you, the busy business owner. Managing invoices and chasing payments can be a massive time suck. Relay offers a solution that benefits both you and your vendors. You can use Relay to automate your invoice payments. Simply send your invoices through the platform, and Relay will handle the rest. Here's the kicker, you can offer your vendors early payment options through Relay. They'll receive an earlier payment for a small service fee, which you can cover or pass on depending on your negotiation strategy. This is a win-win for several reasons. Improved vendor relationships, faster payments keep your vendors happy, leading to stronger business partnerships. Early payment discounts, some vendors might offer discounts for early payments, saving you money in the long run. Streamlined payment processing, Relay automates the entire process, saving you valuable time and resources. With Relay, you can finally ditch the manual invoicing and chasing down payments. It's a smarter way to manage your finances and build stronger relationships with your vendors. In conclusion, whether you're a freelancer, a trucker, or a business owner, Relay offers a unique solution to the age-old problem of getting paid on time.